The Earth pulsates with an incredible diversity of life, but sadly, human activity has pushed many species towards the precipice of extinction. Here's a look at 10 animal species facing a critical fight for survival. Before moving forward, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Number 1. Amur leopard, Far East Russia. Habitat loss due to logging and development. Poaching for their fur. Fewer than 100 individuals remain in the wild. Conservation efforts, anti-poaching patrols, captive breeding programs, and habitat restoration initiatives are underway. Number 2. Vaquita, Gulf of California, Mexico. Accidental entanglement in fishing gear used to catch totoaba, an endangered fish, estimated at around 10 individuals, making them the most endangered marine mammal in the world. Conservation efforts, stricter fishing regulations, efforts to develop alternative fishing gear, and the creation of a protected marine reserve are in place. Number 3. Sumatran orangutan, Indonesia. Habitat loss due to deforestation for palm oil plantations and illegal logging. Fewer than 14,600 individuals remain. Conservation efforts. Efforts focus on protecting remaining forests, promoting sustainable palm oil production, and educating local communities. Number 4. Black rhinoceros, Africa. Poaching for their horns, which are mistakenly believed to have medicinal properties. Around 5,600 individuals remain, with 2 subspecies tragically declared extinct already. Conservation efforts, increased anti-poaching patrols, stricter regulations on horn trade, and community conservation programs offer a glimmer of hope. Number 5. Sayola, Anamat Mountains, Axolotl, Mexico. Habitat loss due to water pollution and the introduction of invasive species. Critically endangered in the wild, with most existing axolotls found in captivity. Conservation efforts. Captive breeding programs aim to reintroduce axolotls into their natural habitat, while efforts focus on cleaning up waterways. Number 6. Axolotl, Mexico. Habitat loss due to water pollution and the introduction of invasive species. Critically endangered in the wild, with most existing axolotls found in captivity. Conservation efforts. Captive breeding programs aim to reintroduce axolotls into their natural habitat, while efforts focus on cleaning up waterways. Number 7. Spix's macaw, Brazil. Habitat loss due to agriculture and ranching, and the illegal pet trade. Extinct in the wild, with a small breeding population in captivity. Conservation efforts. Reintroduction programs aim to bring Spix's macaws back to their native habitat in Brazil. Number 8. Northern white rhinoceros, Africa. Poaching for their horns. Tragically, only 2 females remain, making them functionally extinct. Conservation efforts. Scientists are exploring advanced reproductive techniques like in vitro fertilization to potentially save the species. Number 9. Vaquita porpoise, Gulf of California, Mexico. Accidental entanglement in fishing gear used to catch totoaba, an endangered fish, estimated at around 10 individuals, making them the most endangered marine mammal in the world. Conservation efforts. Stricter fishing regulations, efforts to develop alternative fishing gear, and the creation of a protected marine reserve are in place. This species is purposefully listed twice to highlight the urgency of its situation. Number 10. Echo parakeet, Mauritius. Introduced predators like cats and monkeys. Habitat loss. Fewer than 80 individuals remain, with a successful captive breeding program bolstering their numbers. Conservation efforts, predator control measures, and habitat restoration initiatives offer hope for the future of this vibrant bird. This list just scratches the surface of the biodiversity crisis. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these and countless other species. By supporting conservation organizations, making responsible choices as consumers, and advocating for environmental protection, we can all play a role in safeguarding our planet's incredible wildlife heritage.